Amazon works for SEO purposes by providing the most relevant products for a given search. So that's the first criteria that Amazon uses when it presents products to us. So this search, dogs, toys for puppies. This is our search engine results page, our SERPs for short. So our SERPs, what this is trying to do is provide me, the searcher, with the most relevant products based on my search term. Dogs, toys for puppies, okay? Now, here's where it gets interesting. So the first thing Amazon will do is it will give me the most relevant possible things. And what it looks for typically is the title being the number one most important thing for Amazon's SEO to present relevant searches is the title. So here's the title, AMZ Pets, which is very naughty calling it that, 10 most popular dog toys for small dogs and puppies, squeaky toys, rope toys. So they have basically just loaded up their title with as many different search terms as possible, okay, under the guise of trying to present the most relevant results. So let's just go and click into that. So each of these words, dogs, toys, puppies, so that 4 is ignored. Dogs, toys, puppies. Each of those words, dog, toys, puppies, they're all in the title. Dog, toys, puppy. That's all in the title, okay? So let's just get the ASIN number. I'm going to do my best to not make this too geeky. So the way that you want to do is the search term that you are attempting to rank for, which is what that is, they're ranking the product for that search term. You want to put all of the words from your search term, dogs, toys, puppies, into your title. That's very, very important. Now, will I also rank for, given that I do that, for other search terms? Perhaps I will, but not necessarily. Not necessarily. And so the way that you check what you're actually ranked for, just to come back to what you were saying, makeup bag cute, well, has the product been ranked or what's called indexed? Has Amazon taken your product and also locked it together, said, yes, that's also a product that is cute as well? Has Amazon done that so that you know you're being indexed and therefore you can rank for that product too? Well, the way that you check is you take the ASIN number for your product, which I just got from here, look, after the words DP, or you can get it from actually within the scrolly. You can get it from within here, look, and the ASIN is just on the product details just there. So you take the ASIN for your product, and then the thing that you're trying to rank for, so puppies. ASIN puppies. One result for ASIN puppies. So that means Amazon has recognized that they should show that product when somebody types in the word puppies. What about the word toys? So that's also indexed for the word toys. What about the word dogs? That's also indexed for the word dogs. All right, now what about the word cute? Well, it's also indexed for the word cute. What about the word makeup? So it's showing for pretty much everything. Let's see if we can make it show up for something that it's definitely not around for. Nerf gun, something completely weird. All right, so now Amazon has not indexed that product for the word Nerf gun. All right, so that's how you check to see what words Amazon has associated with your product. So just to reiterate, Camilla, it is not the case that you will automatically rank for words like cute makeup bag or travel makeup bag. It's not the case that you will do that. You have to do something to make Amazon recognize that your product is also cute, is also good for travel. So you have to do something around that to make that happen. Anything you want to rank for should definitely go in your title. In fact, your main search term should always go into your title. That's where you should put it. And I will tell you that probably the easiest place to put a search term that you can't get ranked, just 1 second, I'm just going to pause my screen while I show you something. Just because I don't want to show you some stuff that I'm doing. I'll show you where to put your search terms when you can't get them ranked and you're really struggling to get them ranked. There's a place where you can put them. Come on. Thank you. Where they will 99.9% of the time you'll be able to get them ranked if you do this thing. So I'll show you that. Alright, yeah, that'll do. So on the more details page, so not the keywords and description, on the more details page, you put them in here where really they don't really belong, okay? So you can put it in things like directions, your speciality, for instance. You could put it in there. You could put it weirdly into odd spots where you haven't got anything already, and Amazon will find it for you. Let me just do one more. I'll see if I can show you one other place I tend to use as well to get things ranked. Here we go. That's okay. Just 1 second. There you go. All right. So you all know, for instance, about search terms. That's all very well and good, but subject matter as well, which is on, I think 99% of products will have a subject matter as well. See how I'm aiming for day moisturizer for that one? Well, that's the keyword that I really want to go after. So I use subject matter for super important keywords or for keywords that I can't get indexed. So let's just bring it back here. So if I was struggling to get this product indexed for cute, then I would put cute into that subject matter area, and that would definitely get me indexed. It works. Well, I haven't seen it not work yet. I don't want to say it works every time, but so far, every time I've done it, it always works, and I've done it 300 plus times now, so hope that helps. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.